Students, again welcome to first PUC online classes. In the previous class, we were discussing about rainfall and reverse crossing problem. That is, resultant relative velocity concerned to the rainfall along with reverse crossing problem. Right, students? Now, in this class, let us discuss few numericals on rainfall along with reverse crossing problem. Numerical number 1 is, shall I say the numerical number 1? A rain is falling vertically with speed of 30 meter per second. A woman rides the bicycle with speed 10 meter per second in north to south direction. North to south direction. What is the direction in which she holds the umbrella? Already we have done. See how the situation is there. Shall I go for the situation here directly? Look at solution. Rain falling vertically with the speed of 30 meter per second. How the rain is falling actually, students? Look at me. It is the rainfall 30 meter per second. Shall I call this? We are equal to how much? 30 meter per second. Correct. A woman rides the bicycle with the speed of 10 meter per second in a north-south direction. North-south means in this direction. North-south direction in this direction. Actually, how the woman she moves? She moves on the bicycle with this much speed. Right? What about this speed? This speed equal to VW how much? This is 10 meter per second. Right? Now, woman goes from north to south direction. I will take negative vector or arrow. See here. How to take negative vector here directly? This is the negative vector. Shall I take this? How much? This is nothing but woman's speed. How much this is? Minus 10 meter per second in negative direction. Then shall I remove this directly? Shall I remove? Right. Then how to take the relative velocity? Rain falling like this. Woman goes actually like this in this direction. Woman goes. I will take the negative vector. Then shall I take? This is nothing but relative velocity of rain with respect to woman. How to take? This is what? Relative velocity of rain with respect to woman. Right. How to calculate this actually? A relative velocity of rain with respect to woman can be written. Alright. This is VR minus of how much? Vm. Already was saying in the last class. Right, students? Then how to take actually? A relative velocity of rain with respect to woman? VR. Velocity of the rain. Velocity of the rain is 30 meter per second. Right. Vm. Velocity of the one on the bicycle. Then what is the relative velocity here? Relative velocity is equal to 20 meter per second. Right, this is one. What we need? What is the direction in which she holds the umbrella? See here. This is nothing but the umbrella. You can hold with vertical. With vertical, how to hold the umbrella? You can hold the umbrella. She can hold the umbrella like this. In this situation, this is the vertical direction. Right. Then in this one, this looks like triangle. Looks like triangle. Right thing in what direction actually we are is in this direction. Are you following? Then from this, actually what is tan theta in magnitude? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Opposite is equal to much? VW. Right. Adjacent equal to VR. Then from this, actually VW. What is VW? VW equal to 10. Right. VR equal to 30. Then from this, what is tan theta? Tan theta equal to 1 by 3, right? This equal to how much? 0.333, right? Or what is theta? Theta out, right? Theta equal to tan inverse of how much? 0.33. Tan inverse of this value. Tan inverse of this value near equal to 80 degree. Near equal to 80 degree. In what direction she hold umbrella with the vertical? With the vertical, she should hold umbrella in this direction. By what angle? 80 degree. So students, copy this numerical. We will say one more numerical. Okay, students. Second numerical is a man can swim the speed of 4 km per hour in still water. The man is swimming inside the river. How long it takes to cross 1 km wide, which flows 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour. River flowing 3 km per hour. And makes its strokes normal to river current. Normals to river credit. Then how far down the river he goes and he reaches to other bank? Question is very simple. Shall I go the one by one? A man swim with speed 4 km/h in still water. Shall I take the river here, students? For today, shall I go for the solution? Directly, it is the river. Are you following? This is the river. Are you following? A man swims 4 km/h in still water. See here, it is the position. Shall I go from A to B? How the man goes? The man goes in this direction. Velocity of the swimmer. How much? Velocity of the swimmer? Vs equal to 4 km/h. Right? In still water. How long it takes to cross 1 km wide? Actually, what is the wide here? Shall I take? The river is there in this direction. This is the wide. In width directly. How to take the width? Width equal to 1 km. Right? In what direction river flows? The river flows in this direction. See here, what is taking? 1 km, which flowing 3 km/h in this direction. River speed is there, 3 km/h. 3 km/h. Correct? This is what we are calling resultant speed. What are calling resultant here? Shall I take this one is equal to VR, or I can take the VR directly? Right? What is taking? What is asking? How long it takes to cross 1 meter wide? How long? To cross from A to B. To cross from A to B, how much time is taken? To cross from A to B, how much time is taken? Right? Shall I go here directly? We know that. Here displacement given, speed given. What is the speed directly? What is the speed? Shall I write here? Speed Vs equal to how much? Displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time. Right? How far in time you need to calculate? Or what is time from this? Time equal to how much? Displacement divided by speed Vs. Right? Displacement how much? Displacement means 1 meter, 1 km wide. 1 km wide divided by speed Vs. What is the Vs speed? That is 4 km. Right? That comes some 4 km/h actually. Then what is the time? How the time is there? Time equal to how much? 1/4 hour. Right? Make it into hour. Minute divided by 60. How much minute then? 15 minutes or 1/4 hour. To cross from A to B, how much time is taken? 15 minutes is taken. Right? One more is asking, how far down the river he goes when reaches to other bank? Due to the flow of the river in this direction, the person may get down. How to calculate the distance? The distance can be calculated by taking the speed of the river into this time. See here, how the distance is there actually. What is the speed of the river? VR. Shall I calculate this one? Distance divided by time. Distance divided by time, speed again. Or how to calculate the distance here? Distance equal to how much? Distance equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Right? Then shall I calculate the distance? Distance equal to, shall I take? Distance equal to VR. What is VR? The speed of the river. 3 I will take. What is time? Time equal to 1/4. 1/4. That shall I directly know? Distance equal to distance go down equal to 3/4 kilometer is there. Convert this into meter. 3/4 kilometer into how much? 1000. So directly what is the distance covered? He go down by how much? 750 meter. 750 meter. I mean, to cross the person from A to B, how much time is taken? This much time taken. And due to the flow of the river, he go down by what meter? This meter. So copy this numerical, students. We will solve one more numerical. Okay, students. Third numerical is a boatman can row with speed of 10 km per hour in still water. Man rowing the boat with speed of 10 km per hour in still water. The river flows 6 km per hour. River flows 6 km per hour. If he crossed the river one bank to other along the shortest possible path. Cross from one bank of the river to another bank with the shortest possible path. What is the time taken to cross the 1 km wide river? Time taken to cross 1 km the river. Shortest path means what it is? Shall I go for the solution once again, students? Look at me. This is the solution, right? See here. This is nothing but the river. This is the river, right? How much kilometer wide? 1 kilometer wide. Shall I take? This is nothing but the river. 1 kilometer wide. W equal to how much? 1 kilometer wide. This is the same situation. W equal to 1 kilometer wide. Alright. The person can go in shortest possible path. How the person can go? Already I have shown for the shortest path. This is the position A I can take. What I can take? This is the position B. Right? How the person can go? Person can go like this in this direction. Look at me in this direction. Person can go. Right? By what velocity? Velocity as given. Velocity of the swimmer 10 km per hour. 10 km per hour. Right? The river flows at a speed of 6 km per hour. 6 means how the river can flow in this direction? River can flow. River can flow. How much? 6 km per hour. Right? This is how much? 10 km per hour. Right? How to take the resultant? Resultant can be taken like this. This is nothing but the resultant. Or can take this is nothing but the resultant. This is the resultant. Right? Shall I write once again? Look at my students. How the person can move? The person can move like this. From this point to this point, shall I take this point? In this direction, person can move. A point is there. What about this point? This point equal to B. This is the velocity how much? Vs is the velocity, 10 km per hour. Then, this is nothing but the resultant velocity. This is the resultant velocity. The resultant velocity. What about this? This is nothing but Vr. Or I can take Vr like this. V magnitude. Right? Shall I the situation? How the situation is there? Like this situation. Right? What about this? Velocity of the swimmer in this direction. Velocity of the wave in this direction. What about resultant? Resultant in this much. Right? I need to calculate to go from A to B how much your time is taken. Let us calculate resultant. This is nothing but shortest path. This we are calling the shortest path. In this direction, river flows. Right? How to take from this triangle? From this triangle on the right, Vs square equal to how much? Vs square equal to Vs square plus how much? Vr square. Or what is Vr square? Or what is Vr directly? Vr equal to under root of how much? Under root of Vs square minus Vr square. Right? Then how to calculate the Vr resultant? Resultant equal to Vs. What is Vs? 10 is there. 10 square. And Vr is 6. 6 square directly. What about Vr there? This is how much? 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36. Then what about directly? Directly. Vr equal to how much? Vr equal to 8 km per hour. Resultant equal to 8 km per hour. I mean, resultant speed of the boatman. How can provide 8 km per hour? Then, to cross from A to B, how much time is taken due to this velocity? Right? Your width is there how much? 1 km per hour. Here, what we know that? We are equal to displacement divided by time. Right or wrong? Displacement divided by time. What is time here? What is time? Time equal to displacement. Displacement mean how much? W divided by how much? That is we are, because he goes from this point to this point. This equal to displacement directly. Due to this resultant speed, this is nothing but the displacement. Initial position and final position. Right? Then see here how we calculate the time here. Time. Width equal to how much? 1 kilometer he has given. Resultant speed how much? 8 kilometer per hour. Then directly time is equal to how much? Time equal to 1 by 8. To cross from A to B, how much time is taken? Longer time is taken. Much time is taken. And with the shortest possible path. Copy this numerical. Again, we will see one more numerical. Okay, students. One more numerical. A boat has a speed of 5 km per hour in still water. Boat is moving in the river. It crosses river of width 1 kilometer along the shortest possible path in 15 minutes. The boat can cross in a shortest possible path in 15 minutes. What is the velocity of the river? What is the velocity of the river? Very simple. Shall I do the river again once again? Shall I take solution directly? Look at me. How to take? This is the river. Right? How much wide? 1 kilometer wide. This is 1 kilometer wide. W equal to how much? 1 kilometer wide. Right? How the boat can move? Boat can move in a shortest possible path. Shortest possible path means it can go like this. Look at me. The boat can go like this. Right? By what velocity? VB velocity. VB equal to 10 km per hour given. Sorry, VB equal to 5 km per hour given. 5 km per hour. Right? And how the river can flow? River can flow in this direction. By what speed? I don't know the speed. We have to calculate. If this is one velocity, this is what about resultant? This is nothing but the resultant speed. Shall I take this? This is how much? This is nothing but VR. Or shall I represent here only? Shall I represent here? Right. How to take actually? This is nothing but what? Resultant speed VR I will take. This is what represent velocity of the river in this direction. Right around. How the diagram looks like once again? See here. Like this diagram. Right. Look at me. Visual diagram. How to calculate? What about this VB? VB in this direction. What about VR? VR in this direction. What about resultant? Resultant in this. Right. See here, to cross from A to B point. A to B point. How much time is taken already given? 15 minutes. 15 minutes is that? Right around. See here. What about this resultant velocity? This resultant velocity how to write? VR. VR equal to under root of how much? Under root of VB square minus VR square. Are you following? Or VB square equal to VB equal to under root of VR square plus small VR square plus capital VR square, or VR equal to this value, right? But we know that VR equal to width divided by time. Width divided by time. Already you have seen the last problem. Or what is the time here directly? Or how to calculate VR? VR, right? W equal to how much? W equal to 1 kilometer. Time equal to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It is in kilometer. It is in meter is there, right? Shall I calculate this in hour? How to calculate? VR equal to 1 kilometer. 15 divided by 60 make it 60, right? But what is VR? VR is this formula. Are you following this? How to write them? VR equal to how much? Under root of VB square minus of how much? VR square. VR equal to this value. Under root equal to 60 divided by how much? 50, right? Making square on both side, what you will get? Squaring mean, how to write? See here, BB square, BB square minus of how much? VR square equal to, see here, divided by 16 actually this is. 60 divided by 50, right? Then how to write? 60 divided by 15 of whole square, right? Solve this, what value will get directly? VP square minus VR square. How much you got? Directly, this is nothing but 16 we got. Later on. Again, how to take? From this, how to write? VB, small VR square equal to, how to write? Small VR square is equal to VB square minus of how much? 16. What is VB? VB nothing but speed of the 5 km per hour. Put here. See here. What you got? 5 whole square minus of 16. What is VR? VR equal to how much? Directly 25 minus of 16. Right? VR equal to 9 km per hour. VR square, or what is VR then? VR equal to how much? 3 km per hour. We are equal to 3 km. I mean, this is the shortest possible path the boat can move from A to B. We are calling this the resultant speed, right? Resultant velocity, and resultant velocity equal to width divided by time given, right? We are already there. This in minute, I convert it into the hour, right? And calculate all the values. The velocity of the river. This is nothing but the velocity of the river. How much you got? Velocity of the river is 3 km per hour. In this direction, river is flowing. Right? Copy this. So we'll see one more numerical. Okay, students. One more problem here. A man can swim. A man can swim. Man can swim. Man can swim in still water. In still water. Man can swim in still water at 10 km per hour. Man can swim in still water at 10 km per hour. If he crosses the river in shortest time. Crosses the river in shortest time. What is the resultant velocity of the swimmer? An angle made with the width of the river. Right? Shortest time and longest path. Already we have known. Along with shortest path and longest time. Already we have known. Two cases is there. But the first case here, he crosses the river in shortest time. Shortest time is, see here, look at me. This is nothing but the river. Are you following? This is nothing but the river. What you can take? This is nothing but the width of the river. What you are calling W, right? Solution here. How to calculate? Look at it. See here, when the person swim from this point to this point. What point? He is swimming from A to B point. A to B point. By what velocity? Vs velocity already given. How much Vs velocity? 10 km per hour given. But what the direction of the river flow? River can flow in this direction. In this direction river can flow. By what direction? River can flow in this direction. By what speed? The speed he has given. He can cross the river in shortest time. Right? A man can swim in the still water 10 km per hour. Right? Resultant velocity of the swimmer. Shall I have the resultant velocity? The resultant velocity is not given here. Then I can take one more value here. How to take the resultant velocity? See here, the resultant velocity can take the 5. I will mention directly. Directly I will mention 5 km per hour is given. Remember. Right. In diagram he has given 5 km per hour. Right. What the shortest time we can reach? We can reach the shortest time in this direction. Right. What I am calling? This is nothing but resultant velocity. Right. It is a given diagram in the numerical. I mean, the swimmer can flow from A to B point. A river is flowing in this direction. By what speed? This speed. Remember here. V is given in the numerical. What is given? 10 km per hour. Right? Right around. See here, what we need resultant velocity of the swimmer. This is nothing but resultant velocity due to the flow of the river. Actually, the person can go from this point to this point. Due to the flow of the river, he can reach at this point. What we are calling this point? C point. Right? Then look at here. How to take? How to take here directly? See here. We are equal to under root of Vs square plus Vr square. Under root of how much? Vs square plus Vr square directly. Or what is Vr? This is what? Solution number 1. Vr equal to Vs how much given? 10 km per hour given. 10 square. In diagram he has given 5 km per hour. Vr 5 mean directly how to write? 5 whole square. Then see here. What about Vr? Vr equal to 10 square. That we are calling 100. 5 square we are calling 25. Then what is Vr? Vr under root of 125. Under root of 125. Again, how to write under root of 125? Under root of 125 can write. You what I can write? Here shall write in this manner. Vr equal to 5 root 5 kilometer per hour. In this manner I can write. In this manner I can write resultant velocity in this direction. I mean, this is nothing but the resultant velocity of the swimmer. Then what is asking? Angle made with width of the river. Angle made with what? Width of the river. See here. Shall I make it parallelogram here only? I can take the parallelogram like this. See here. What are calling? This is nothing but angle made with width of the river theta. Already you have seen. This is what? Velocity of the swimmer. Right. This is what? Velocity of the river in this direction. Right. This is what are calling angle made with the width of the river. Tan theta. Then how to write? Directly. Shall I solve directly here? Tan theta. What is tan theta in this triangle? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Look at here. Opposite is Vr. Adjacent is Vs. Are you following? Right. What is Vr, students? Vr equal to 5u. Vs equal to 10. Look at here. How to write? Vr equal to 5u. Vs equal to 10. Then what is tan theta? Tan theta equal to 1 by 2 or tan theta equal to 0.5. 0.5. Or how to write theta? Theta equal to tan inverse of 0.5. The tan inverse of 0.5 that will come some angle. That angle is nearly 27 degree. 27 degree. I mean angle made. This is the angle made. How much is it? It's nearly 27 degree. Right, students? Copy this numerical. I will give one more numerical as the homework. You will solve that numerical in your house. Okay. Okay, students. Homework is a man walking due to east at 5 km per hour. A man is walking due to the east. Rain falls vertically downward. Rain falls vertically downward with 12 km per hour. What is the true velocity of the rain in km per hour? Numerical is very simple. A man walking due to the east like this, the rain falling vertically downward, right? What we need? True velocity of the rain. We need to calculate. Numerical is very simple. I hope you will solve it. The remaining concept we will see in the next class. Thank you, students.